Supreme Court is all set to hear the Election Commission of India's reply to Mamata Banerjee's petition challenging the SIR exercise being carried out in the state. Last week, in a historic showdown, West Bengal Chief Minister Banerjee appeared in the Supreme Court and voiced her grievances against the Election Commission of India in a rather high-pitched, emotive speech, urging the top court with folded hands to save democracy. Making sweeping allegations against the poll body, Banerjee thundered in the top court over 1.36 crore voters on the logical discrepancy list, who she claimed risked deletion on the basis of some misspellings in the surname. She also raked up the issue of deployment of micro-observers who she called were in fact central government's officers and claimed were deleting voter names unconstitutionally. Issuing notice on the petition filed by Mamata Banerjee, the Supreme Court had sought Election Commission of India's reply to these allegations. Today, the top court will be going through the same. At the same time, in the last hearing, the Chief Justice of India, Suryakant, had requested Mamata Banerjee to allow her very experienced senior lawyer Sham Devan to argue on her behalf. The Mamata government, however, might have to face some tough questions today in the Supreme Court, as the court will also be taking up another PIL filed by an organization named Sanatani Sangsad, which had sought protection for the Election Commission of India's officers who are claiming threat to life while discharging their duties in the state. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta had requested the top court in the last hearing itself to take this hearing along with the petition filed by Mamata Banerjee this Monday. He also mentioned the past affidavits filed by the Election Commission of India, through which it had informed the Supreme Court that its officials conducting the SIR process in state of West Bengal were facing serious threats to their life, and which had in fact forced them to withdraw from their duty due to violent incidents at the hearing venues. In one of its affidavits, ECI had also named Mamata Banerjee for making provocative speeches against its officers. In the most recent January 28 affidavit, the Election Commission had urged the court to allow hearings to be shifted to safer location instead of Panchayat Bhawans, citing multiple incidents of vandalism and physical attacks on Election Commissioner officers. They apprised the court about violent attacks at SIR hearing venues across Itihar, Farakka and Chaluka in West Bengal. While the top court is set to hear the poll body's rebuttal to Mamata Banerjee's claim over mass disenfranchisement in the state of West Bengal from SIR today, it will also be hearing these claims by the Election Commission of India, which might lead to some tough questions to Mamata Banerjee government from the top court. At the same time, Election Commission will also have to satisfy the court that 1.4 crore citizens who face deletion will not be unfairly excluded from the SIR voter list without a due hearing.